Hello, everybody. This is Gina, aka Gina Dillon, aka Gina Justice. How's everybody doing today? I come here to unbox a very rare doll, and she's from 1927. Yes, I said 1927. And this is the Kiddie Hug Me Pal doll from 1927. Everybody enjoy. 19 inches long. So here we go. Thought I would do an unboxing today because I have not done a unboxing in a long time, so and this doll comes in various sizes, by the way. She does come in at least a 25-inch too, and I have seen some with teeth and with painted teeth. This one, she did have teeth, but she no longer has teeth. She should be wearing a pink dress and a pink bonnet, white hose, white pantyhose, and white shoes. And here we go. Thank you for your business. She's in a bubble wrap cocoon. The way I like it. Get you out of here, sweetie. Double wrapped at that. Turn her over here. You can see her face. I can see her pretty face. Yeah, baby. Turn her head around here. You see everybody your pretty face. You show everybody your pretty face. Oh, her shoe just fell off. This is a very, very rare doll. And of course her shoe fell off. But I'll put that back on her in a minute. This is Nivea, by the way, everybody. I named her Nivea. And what I like about her is she's got a really shiny head. Yeah. And I love the dress, and I love the bonnet that is on her too. Like I said, she comes in various sizes. This is the 19-inch size of her, but she does come in a 25-inch body too. And as you can see, she's got brown eyes, and the ones I see on Google, she always has blue eyes. So I'm guessing that maybe her eyes have been replaced. And there's Nivea, everybody. I thought I would record her and show her off. Ain't she so cute? This is my early birthday present, by the way. And just showing my Nivea off. Everybody have a nice day. Say bye, Nivea. Bye-bye, everybody. Comment below and follow and subscribe. Thank you.